Hello friends, we have received a set of notes from Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute, that is DBMCI. It includes eGurukul 2.0 edition video based notes. So in this video, I am going to unbox it and give detailed review about the notes. First of all, let me tell you overall hands-on review of the notes. The covers look pretty decent and attractive. And if you look at backside, there are different quotes in every book which will help you to keep your motivation on. And talking about content, overall it looks colorful and contains many images. And also paper quality is pretty good and quality of images looks excellent. Now let's have a detailed review of notes. If you open the book, in the first page itself, you will see introduction of Guru of that particular subject. For example, here you can see details of Dr. Rajat Jain, who is Radiology Guru. And let me tell you friends, I have personally met Dr. Nachiket Bhatia and certain faculties of DBMCI. They as a team have done very hard, smart and excellent work to make the content of eGurukul student friendly. The next is index page, and personally I am impressed by this because from this detailed index page you can easily open the chapter or topic you want, which will save lot of time. Now let's have a look to the content, which is most important part of any notes. As I told, these notes are based on video lectures of eGurukul 2.0 edition. So you need not invest extra time in writing notes while watching the videos. The fonts of the notes are digital handwritten fonts. So you may not miss that feeling of handwritten notes. And it looks very attractive and perfect as they are separating headings and content properly. And going forward, as you can see here, there are timestamps given at the beginning of each topic, so it will be easy to scroll the video accordingly. Then at the bottom of each page, you can see active space, where you can add extra points with that particular topic itself, which you may come across during your preparation or MCQ solving. Next are diagrams. I have to say that I am very impressed by the diagrams given in the notes. because almost all diagrams are like self-drawn, which are easily understandable and one can easily produce in the prof's exam too. Then you can see they have highlighted the important points of each topic so that it will be easy to revise. Also you can know that what are the important points and what you need to focus during your first reading itself. So according to me, these notes are one smart way of covering your syllabus. They are also giving dual faculty notes for medicine and chapter-wise MCQs for speedy revision. So I think these notes can be one-step solution for a NEET PG or next preparation and also for INI-CET preparation, and you must explore it. Find the link in the description below and start exploring it now.